Welcome to Nashamin News with me Rizwan Asad. DK Shivkumar has dropped a bombshell saying that some of the BJP leaders in the midst of the rebellion in the BJP, they have met him and he has instructed them to give a letter saying that if they want to join back the Congress, they have to give a letter to the KPCC, which they have formed a 10-member core committee, and the core committee will look into the matter and see whether they can be reinstated. It may be recalled that after the COVID lockdown has been relaxed and unlock one has started, dissident activity seems to have started in the BJP, with many of the leaders being unhappy with the leadership of B.S. Yediyurappa. And yesterday also, former Chief Minister and CLP leader Siddaramaiah told to a section of media in his constituency that some BJP leaders have met him. And today, with the DK Shivkumar telling on camera, saying that some leaders have met him and they've said them to give the letter to the KPCC, it remains to be seen what would be the political equation going to change in Karnataka.
Let anyone who wants, let they first apply. Let they apply, whoever wants to go. There is a committee for it. The committee will decide. Then it will come to the KPCC. In KPCC, we have a different core committee. We will again discuss all that.
Is it a strategy for the after 3 years plan, sir?
Not. It is a basic structural programming which we have to do it. I want it to be very practical with a collective stand, on a collective stand.
To bring back those leaders who went out of your party and joined other parties, is this development happening after some of the statements by the leaders of your party, sir?
Yes, no, so many leaders have requested me to join a representation various political parties. So before admitting them, I don't want to take any individual decision. I wanted to take a collective decision because they'll have to discuss with the district level leaders, state level leaders. So I formed a committee to examine all those applications because there should not be any backfire. Loyalty is important and the party asset is very important. So we have to go for a long run. So only for the sake of power, they should not come. They should be with the ideology. So, being a party president, the former party president, Mr. Alamdev Bhattapai, a very senior leader, was a minister and is also a legislator now from the Karnataka. So, under his leadership, the 10 members committee have been formed and they have been looking at. Then they will put up the proposals before the KPCC. And a few senior leaders will discuss on that.
Sir, some of the leaders have made the statement that nothing is going well with their party, and most of the leaders wants to come back to their base party, which is Congress.
I don't want to comment.
Do you have that idea? You had idea of that, sir?
Already, I have warned all my colleagues. None of them should speak on the internal squabbles of the BJP or any political party. We don't want to interfere. But with those who want to join hands with the Congress party, without any uncondition. Some applications are there pending with since long time. They have been meeting me and they have given the application. I will present those applications to them. Let them hear. Then we should have a format that they should speak to the local leaders also. Not only coming with me or meeting any of the senior leaders and joining. They should gel with in the local, in the district level and the taluk level. They should be an asset to the taluk level also. The assembly segment also. So I have my own political experience on this because without asking our local leaders, sometimes complications will happen at the local level which they will not digest because they will have been fought together past 30-40 years. So when such is the case, let me give them an opportunity.
Sir, is this a strategic plan that you said, I want to make a Congress party, a cadre-based party to the different places?
See, those who want to admit, be in the Congress party, not only gelling with the senior leaders, they should gel with the local cadres, with the ideology, and they should be confident, they should accept the leadership of Srimati Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi and the party ideology. That is also very much important. Personal friendship or personal relationship with the leader will not bring any success to us. We should stand with our own basic principles.
Sir, if those leaders who went back to other parties, if they come and apologize and they gives the situation which happened, will you take them back, sir?
Now anyone who wants, let the first
Put the
apply.
paper.
Let them apply. Whoever wants to go, there is a committee for it. The committee will decide. Then it will come to the KPCC. In KPCC, we have a different core committee. We will again discuss all that.
Is it a strategy for the after 3 years plan, sir?
Not. It is a basic structural programming which we have to do it. I want it to be very practical, with a collective stand, on a collective stand.
Sir, for Kannada, one small.
To the MLC and MP also on June 19th, it remains to be seen what role Congress would be playing and what is going to happen likely. Rizwan Asad, Nasheman News.